This video will show usage of the pill dispenser. The pill dispenser is a flip-top cap that can be opened, showing the two sections to the main body of the pill dispenser. The smaller opening as seen on the bottom here is the spout. When dispensed, pills will exit through this tube. The larger opening is the hopper. This is where the pills are stored. With the top cap open, the pills from a pill bottle can be poured into the hopper section. Once this is done, the top cap can be closed back up. To dispense a pill, the main body of the pill dispenser should be held in one hand with the other hand holding the twisting base. The base should be rotated 360 degrees or until the pocket in the twist base lines up with the spout. The pill dispenser can be brought to the user's mouth similar to a drinking glass. Once this is done, the pill should slide out of the pill dispenser and into the user's mouth. A pill is dispensed by rotating the twisting base until a pill is visible through the spout window a few more times to help show the use and repeatability of this dispenser.